Hi guys, Roche here. Welcome to Beautymagz channel. If you're new, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I make a new upload. So in today's video, what I'm going to talk about is this product from Detail Makeover, and this is going to be a eyebrow. Wow guys, may maipapalit na ba ang aking L'Oreal na paboritong paborito? Can I change you to something else? Ano ba, L'Oreal? Ano ba? Okay, this is it, guys. I saw a review. I think it was May Layog that she liked the Detail Makeover, but I'm not so sure if this is the right one that she likes. And the lady at the counter told me that this is basically new to them, like a month ago. I'm not so sure if May mentioned or talk about if this is the right product that she was talking about. Okay, and the price for this is I believe it's 249 pesos. The packaging right off the bat is nice. It's cool, right? Very trendy, and yeah, embossed pa siya. Okay, it's very good. Very detailed. Okay, kaya nga Detail Makeover. Okay, so what really drawn to me is the packaging, really, guys. Let's see here. Okay, diba ang social niya, para siyang the Benefit brows na ano, diba? Para siyang ganun ang effect niya sa akin. I don't have that brow pencil from Benefit, pero I have the compact one, which I really love. Okay, but I'm looking for a pencil, and now the dog outside is barking, so if you hear noise from the outside or noise background, that's the dog barking right now. Okay, I can eliminate that. Let's proceed. Okay, what drawn me to this pencil? It's the micro pencil. Okay, it's the micro one. Okay, why I am drawn to it? Okay, because I like to draw my eyebrow. Okay, because I have sparse eyebrow. Okay, I have hairs, of course, but I have some areas that are bald, or okay, and I need to draw, okay, those areas, and I need to fill it in. Okay, I just want a pencil that can just do everything. Okay, blending is good, that's it. I don't even need to use a mascara to set it up, because I am just basically a very simple girl when you see me every day. Okay, I just need a little bit of a touch up of a brow, not even too big detail on the brow. I just want to fill up those sparse area or those baldness. That's all I wanted. I don't even need to do my arch. I just need to fill in those. And if that product will not move, okay, that would be a win. Okay, you will be in my heart forever. Okay, all right, so much bluffing, and the only product I really love is the L'Oreal. Okay, in the States you can buy this for I think $7 to $8, something like that, $9, something like that. Okay, it's about that range. If you convert it to here, 8 times 5, it's like 400 pesos, right? Okay, 400 pesos only for a pencil, but this one has a spoolie. Okay, it's very easy to work with. It's not too waxy, and this is my go-to. Okay, and I want to replace it to save money. Kailangan tayong mag-save ng konti, alright? Or really make use or talaga mag-budget ba? Ganun. So, ano ba ang nagustuhan ko sa kanya? Packaging, of course. Performance, ito na ngayon. So, I will insert the clip on how I did this eyebrow. Okay, right, check it out. if you want to see my eye look right here, okay, I'll leave a link up here and click that before you go. Ang dali-dali lang niyang i-draw. There are only 2 shades. I think when I was there, it was, this one is dark brown and I think this light brown. There are few, but I'm not so sure. At the counter, the lady only told me about 2 colors. She advised me to get the dark brown, which I am happy. She's right. It's perfect for my complexion and it's very flattering. What I like about this is it's very easy for me to draw the line. It's not too messy, and when I try to like brush my eyebrow up, easy to work with. The blending is good. Okay, so there's also some parts that the eye, or they say the color pigmentation moves. It's the same thing with my L'Oreal. It moves, but it's not too bad. Parang nawala na lang siya ng bigla kung isusuklay mo siya. Ito, maganda siya. Konti lang yung nawala. And if you want to redo or fix it up, it's very easy. And the blending is easy to work with, guys. You don't have to worry about how uneven it is because it is just good. Okay, for my taste, this is it. This is the product that would replace my L'Oreal. Even though this one doesn't have a mascara, okay, I'm okay with it. Hindi ako mahilig sa mascara talaga, guys, or any like setting brow gel, okay, kasi most of the time I'm just at home, and if I really wanted to have a like attend an event, of course I'm gonna use my super pigmented pomade. Okay, that's what I'm gonna use. So mascara doesn't really work for me. Okay, you can even use your own mascara, your ordinary mascara for your lashes. You can do that, guys. It's that if you don't wanna splurge, or if you don't wanna buy a setting mascara for your brows. Actually, it can work, kaya I don't worry about it. Okay, so for now, I'm very happy about it. Detail makeover, yes, you have to put this forever in your collection. Okay, I don't want this to go away. Make this as your permanent line. I like it and I would recommend it to everybody. Okay, alright, so this will be my final thoughts about this product from Detail Makeover. I hope you liked my video, and if you do, please like, share, and subscribe. And if you're new, please don't go away. Leave a comment. I want to know about you. Okay, alright, so that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Until then,